How many people have been called? Chatushashti. Chatushashti Brahmana, 64 Brahmanas have been called. From them, those who have been called for Vastu Homas, Paramashiva already gave the split up. So those who have been called for Vastu Homa, they have to be called now along with the Vadya Ghosham, along with the playing of the instruments. They should come. Ahuya, after having called them. Vastu Devanam Pujam Homam Yatha Vidhi. The Vastu Devas Puja and Homa should be done Yatha Vidhi Kurushva. You all do the Vastu Devas Puja and Homa as per the Shastras, as per the injunctions. Kurushva, you all do. Iti Samabhashya Swayam Tishthet Tadagrataha. This the who should tell? Samabhashya Swayam Tishthet. How do you say it is Deshika? Rajna Pura Gurum Mahu. Vritam Rajna Pura Gurum is being told. Kurushva iti Samabhashya Swayam Tishthet Tadagrataha. He also should stand in front of it. Acharyaha atha ashtabhi yuktaha hotribhi brahmana saha prangmukha prayato bhutva pranayama purassaram. Acharyaha, the Acharya atha ashtabhi yuktaha, along with the ashtabhi hotribhi, with the 8 ritviks, along with the 8 ritviks, brahmana saha, along with the one person who has been called for doing these sarvakarma anusandhanam, prangmukha prayato bhutva, prangmukha, facing east, prayato bhutva, with what is prayataha? Earlier we saw prayata shuchihi. What is prayataha? Bhakti yuktaha. Prayataha means bhakti yuktaha, along with devotion. Prayato bhutva pranayama purassaram. Pranayama purassaram means after, with the doing of the pranayama before, in advance. Sankirtya desham kalancha. After having mentioned the kala and desha, time and the place, Rajnaha Rashtrasya Vriddhaye. For the Vriddhi. What is Vriddhi? What is Vriddhi? Vriddhi is expansion. Vriddhi is multiplication. Multiplication. Not multiplication in the mathematical multiplication. I am saying an English way of multiplication, that's all. Multiplication, abundance, expansion. Rajnaha Rashtrasya Vriddhaye, for the expansion of the Raja, for the prosperity and expansion of the Raja and the kingdom. Rajna Sankalpita Mahashantyangam Vastu Pujanam Karishye. Rajna Sankalpita Mahashantyangam. The Vastu Puja, I am going to do the Vastu Puja now, which is a part of the Mahashanti, for which the Sankalpa has been done by Raja himself. In the previous chapter, the Sankalpa, the Raja doing Sankalpa was mentioned. Now that was Yajamana Sankalpam. Now the Ritviks Brahmanas do the Sankalpam during the Puja. Mahashantyanga. No, Acharya has to do Sankalpam. In the previous chapter, the Sankalpa, in the Sankalpa, you would have seen Karayishye. Here, Karishye. Pathati, Pathayati. Gachati, Gamayati. This is called doing and making someone do. This is when you say what for making someone do, the suffix called nich is added, so it will be called as nijantam. Not nijam, ni. nijantam. Nich pratyantam nijantam. Nich. Nich. So karayishya is nijanta padam. Karishye iti sankalpya. After having done this sankalpa, which sankalpa? The sankalpa that I am going to do the Vastu Pujanam, which is a part of the Mahashanti for which the Raja has done the sankalpa. So, naturally understand how the sankalpa works. Excuse me.
Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
See how the sankalpa works. The Raja does the sankalpa separately, right? After that, and he leaves. He need not be even there. For example, saying somebody does the Yajamana does the sankalpa, and he doesn't do any of this. Then the Acharya of the Homa does the sankalpa, saying that we will do along with the Ritviks, we will do this specific ritual, which is a part of what Rajas did the sankalpa, for which Raja did the sankalpa. Now the Ritviks have to do a sub ritual, Upangama. If as a part of the ritual, if they have to do some other ritual, then they will do the sankalpa as a Upanga sankalpa. These words actually go and create the effect that they directly go join with the previously done sankalpa, and finally the benefit goes to the Raja, and because it goes to the Raja and goes for the kingdom. No, I am not speaking of benefit. How sankalpas are clubbed? Because whatever the Brahmanas have to be doing now, the Vastu Homa, the effect of it should be going as a part of the Mahashanti for which Raja has done the sankalpa, not for any other some other ritual. Iti sankalpya vedyam dakshina bhagataha. After having done this sankalpa like this, vedyam dakshina bhagataha, on the Vedika dakshina bhagataha, southern side, onto the southern side of the Vedika, Gomayena anulipya urvim rangavallim nidhayacha. The bhumi has to be smeared with Gomayam, Kaudang. Urvi means Prithvi. Urvi. Prithvi. Urmi illa, Urvi. Urvi. Gomayena anulipya urvim. After having smeared the Kaudang on the floor, Rangavalli, the kolam has to be made. Rangavallim nidhayacha. Tatra shubhratandulaihi tu yatha vibhava sambhavaihi vitasti uchraya samyuktam bahumatram samantataha kritva vedim vastu chakram tasyam samyak prakalpayet. There, on that bhumi which is smeared with kaudang and on which the Rangavalli has been made, on that tatra shubhratandulaihi. Shubhra, what is shubhram? Where do you come across? No, that is subra. That is Subrahmanya, not Subramanya. Subramanya, because Subramanya Swami, when he was born itself, he was radiating the Brahma Tejas, so he is given the name Subramanya. Shubhra, ya Shubhra Vastravrita, ya Veena Varadandak Manditakara, ya Shweta Padmasa, ya Kundendu Tushara Hara Dhavala. In that sloka it comes, na? Shubhra. Shubhra Tandulaihi, with the white rice. Tandula is rice. Shubhra Tandulaihi, white rice. Specifically, he says white rice. Means you should not be using red rice, black rice, any other rice. Shubhra Tandulaihi, Yatha Vibhava Sambhavaihi. Vibhava means beautiful, luxury. Yatha Vibhava Sambhava, or richness. All these meanings are there for the word Vibhava. Yatha Vibhava Sambhavaihi. To how much ever it looks beautiful, to how much ever you can do that much. Vitasti Uchraya Samyuktam. Vitasti. What is Vitasti? We already came across, na? Previous chapter. It's a unit of measure. It is a specific unit of measure. Previous chapters, not previous chapter. Vitasti Uchraya Samyuktam. Uchraya is height. Uchraya Unnata. All are synonymous. Uchraya Samyuktam, with that much, with one Vitasti of height. Bahumatram Samantataha. All the sides he should be Bahumatra. One Bahu means, this is Bahu. Bahumatram Samantataha Krutva Vedim Vastu Chakram. The Vedika should be one Vitasti height, and it should be, the side of the Vedika should be one Bahu. Iti Krutva Vedim Vastu Chakram. Such a kind of a Vedika has to be made, and Vastu Chakram Tasyam Samyak Prakalpayet. On that Vedika, create the Vastu Chakram. Samyak Prakalpayet. Nicely create the Vastu Chakram on it. How it should be made? Paramashiva starts telling. Dashapragayata rekha. Dashachaiva udagayata. Samantarala samlikhya. Samah kuryad vichakshanaha. Dashapragayata. In the Pragdesha, in the eastern side, it should be, in the eastern side, it should be 10. The southern and the western side, it should be 10. Samantarala samlikhya. Western. Pardon? Antaralam. Along with the Antaralam. Antaralam is the passage. Narrow passage for going inside. It's not for you. In the Rekha. Samantarala. In a temple, if you see Garbhagraham, next you have Ardhamandapam, then you have Antaralam, where it becomes a small passage through which you can go actually exit. It is not that same construction based thing. It is for the Vastu Chakram. Let's see. Samantarala samlikhya samah kuryad vichakshanaha. It should be made sama. And it should be vichakshanaha. The person who is doing should be carefully, meticulously creating this. Evam krite bhavet chakram ekashiti padatmakam. In such a square shaped Vastu Chakram, the full square should be made into Ekashiti Padam, 81 parts. Ekashiti padam. Sorry, 81. Ekashiti. Ashiti is for example, I'm saying when I say padam means you have to cut off it, cut them off, like having them, making into minor squares inside of it, sub squares. It should be made into 81 padam. Each one pada of the Navapadam should be made into sub Navapadam. There is a square. Suppose let us take, there is a square of square of length 81 centimeters. Okay. Now 81 divided by 3. 81 divided by 3. I'm asking you math. 243. 27. So at 27, from 0 to 27 mark a point, then 27 to 54 mark another point, from 54 to 81 mark another point. Okay. So now the 81 is divided into 3 parts. Say make it the other side of the square also same. Now join. Now you have 9 squares of each side having 27 centimeters. Now this 27 centimeter square should be again cut off into Navapadam. Same way like this. With 3, how much? 9, huh? 9. With 9, 9, 9, then here. Are you understanding? Now it will be 81. After session I'll show. एवं कृते भवेत् चक्रम 81 पदात्मकम पदानि तानि च पुनः कोष्ठानि परिकल्पयेत् 45 please start repeating that is Navapadam 45 उक्त प्रकारेण पंचचत्वारिंशदुक्त प्रकारेण पंचचत्वारिंशदुक्त प्रकारेण विचक्षणः मध्ये चैकपदस्त्वेकः पदस्त्वेकः चत्वारस्त्रिपदा स्मृताः दिक्षु कोणेष्वेकपदाः चत्वारः परिकीर्तिताः तद्बाह्ये त्विषदिग्भागे चत्वारश्च एव कोष्टकाः द्विपदाः पूर्वदिग्भागे पञ्चात्र परिकीर्तिताः आग्नेयभागे चत्वारः पृथग् पृथग् एकपदा स्मृताः पञ्च द्विपदा स्युः पृथक् पृथक् नैऋत्यां दिशि चत्वारः पृथक् पृथक् एकपदा स्मृताः पश्चिमे द्विपदाः पञ्च वायव्ये च तथा पुनः कल्प्याश्चैकपदाः सम्यक् कल्प्याश्चैव कल्प्याश्चैक पदाः सम्यक् चत्वारस् सौम्यादिङ्मुखे कर्तव्या द्विपदाः पञ्च वास्तुशास्त्रोक्तमार्गतः एवं विधाय कोष्ठानि क्रमशस्तेषु विन्यसेत् Now in the further shlokas, until these, Paramashiva is explaining how to make the koshtas, how to separate the koshtas for creating the koshta means parts. Now the padam is an exact square kind of a, how do you say English? It's equally dissected. In the if 81, you can say see 9999 equally cut into, equally partitioned into with Navapadam and Sub-Navapadam. Now, Paramashiva is going to tell about how to create the koshtas, how to mark the koshtas which we are going to use. I'll show you. If you see in this, if you see in this, there is 81 is made, 81 squares are made, and into the sub squares there is a form made like that to separate each part, koshtam part. This is how the 81 padas, ekashiti padam has to be made. Not with the words or anything, just cutting off the square. Next, how to create the koshtas? Paramashiva, what is he telling? Padani tani cha punaha kosthani parikalpayet. These padas have to be sub classified into koshtas, parikalpayet. How to create the koshtas? Paramashiva is telling in these next few shlokas until starting from 10 to 15. From the shlokas 10 to 15, Paramashiva is telling how to allocate the koshtas. Even in a temple, if you see in the Koshtha Devata, you tell, what is Koshtha Devata? Parivara Devata, don't say Parivara Devata. Parivara Devata, even Nataraja's Parivara Devata. Koshtha Devata, around the Shiva's shrine, Garbhagraham, you have who are all? Dakshinamurti, no. On the wall, on the outer wall of the Garbhagraham of a Shiva temple, Dakshinamurti, Lingodhavar or Kalyana Sundareshwarar and Brahma, sometimes in some temples Saraswati and no. You see on the walls, na? That's Koshta in retail. There also we classify parts into Koshtha, Koshtham, Dakshina Koshta, even in the Panchagavya Puja, how you, that is one, it's like a pie. Okay? It is a classification of the division. What Paramashiva, how he explains about this, how to make the koshtas, we'll continue in the next session. With this, we'll offer our pranams at the feet of Swamiji and close the session with the Purna mantra. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tatsat Sarvam Bhagavat Shri Nityananda Paramashiva Padukarpanamastu Om Nityanandam.